So today we're heading up to Woodville, Mississippi to hang out with my friend Devin. Gonna do a little deer hunting on some property up there that he has. While we're up here in Woodville, Grill Master Randy is heading over to Dave's Smokehouse to check out their operation. Rut's starting up here in Woodville, so hopefully that monster steps out and we get to take him home. First time I was able to harvest a deer. 15 years old, been hunting for about 10 years at that point. Hunting with my grandfather, he's the one that got me started. Cold November morning, fell asleep in the deer stand, woke up about 8:30 or so, and lo and behold, standing 20 yards broadside was a little spike. Picked up my gun and was able to harvest it right then and there. And I mean, the excitement just started rolling. My grandfather came and met me, and he was more excited, I think, than I was, because we'd been hunting so long and never been able to get one, and it was just continuing on the tradition. It was a good feeling.
Hey, Monica.
Hey, Randy. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. Hey, thanks for letting us come check it out.
I'm excited to have y'all here and see the process.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we just remodeled and added on for our processing area.
Oh, man. Hey, I can't wait to see it. Can we take
Let's
a tour?
go take a look.
Awesome. Let's do it. All right. Hey, I'm smelling something.
Yeah, that's our smoke room back here where we hang and smoke all of our sausage.
Can I take a look at it real quick?
Absolutely.
Oh, man, that smell. See all your firewood. So this is the back dock?
Yeah, so this is where our customers will bring their deer meat. The guys here will take their ice chest out for them. We are very big on customer service. Make sure that their name is on their ice chest and fill out a deer form with them, stating exactly what that customer wants with their deer. Once that's finished, their name and this ticket follows their deer meat through the entire process.
Nice. Keep track of everything.
Absolutely, and exactly what they want, since each order is customized.
And looking at that sheet, you guys make several different kinds of sausage.
You name it. We even do deer boudin. It's not on our sheet because that is very customized order.
That's insider stuff.
Yeah, it is.
There you go.
Definitely. Yeah, so do you want to go take a look at the rest of the process?
Check it out, yeah.
This is the area that we call our boudin crackling room. You can see we have some pots of boudin cooking back here. So Randy, this is where the real magic happens. This is where the deboning happens. The guys will take each ice chest and debone the deer that's in it. And once they process the meat, if it needs to be ground, or it needs to be tenderized, or the sausage needs to be stuffed, it goes to the various stations. You can see here we have some meat that has been ground already, and it has its label with it. It has the pounds. And then they're going to put it in bags and bring it over to our vacuum seal area. So Randy, this is our what we call our deer cooler.
Okay.
So once the product leaves the vacuum seal area, the ladies will bring it in here with the tag of the customer's name, exactly what it is, and I will find their deer ticket that they originally signed and make sure that the weight is right on their sausage or their ground meat or their burritos or whatever. And put it in their bin with their name on it. Yeah. And then once every item that they've ordered has been highlighted, then I know that ticket is done.
Okay.
Yeah, welcome to the deer freezer. I don't like to spend much time in here. But you can see some of the crates that we have moved in here. The people's product is finished. Their order, their deer, or hog, or we process all sorts of wild game.
Put it back in their original ice chest that they brought it in?
Yes. A clean ice chest.
There you go. You can clean the ice chest.
Yes, absolutely.
Customer service.
Awesome.
Yeah, let's get out of here. So this looks like the kitchen area.
Yes. A lot of food comes out of this kitchen. This is where we fry our boudin balls. We carry farm-raised deer that we sell up front. We make our deer burritos for the store.
Yeah, and I was curious about that, because if all your customers are bringing their meat and going back with them, where's all your stuff coming?
We have a couple of vendors that we get farm-raised deer from. It's Red Stag.
Nice.
Yeah, so It's really good quality deer. We fry our deer burritos, our boudin balls. We offer regular boudin balls stuffed with jalapeno cream cheese, boudin balls stuffed with pepper jack cheese.
Cream cheese.
It's amazing.
Oh my goodness.
It's amazing.
I gotta get one of those before we
Definitely.
leave. And now look, just for my pure curiosity, you had mentioned something earlier about some family lineage that you might be a part of.
My great uncle was Chef Paul Prudhomme, who passed away not long ago, and that's where I learned how to cook. I worked in the test kitchen with him for a while. I worked at his restaurant for a while, waiting tables, doing catering. It was a great life lesson.
Dude, that's awesome.
And so I owe a lot of this to what he taught me.
Yeah, that's some good lineage there.
Yeah.
So hey, look, thanks for having us today.
I enjoyed it.
I'm gonna peruse some of this, get some of this boudin balls to take home with me.
Awesome.
Appreciate it, dude.
Thank you, Randy. It's fun.
We'll be in touch.
All right.
Take care. So unfortunately, my buddy Chase wasn't able to find a deer the other day when they went hunting. But thankfully, Dave's Smokehouse was able to hook us up with some beautiful backstrap loins. It's a beautiful day here in St. Francisville. We're gonna head out to Greenwood Plantation, hang out with Mr. Howe. He's gonna show us around. We're gonna smoke up those backstrap loins. It's gonna be awesome. All right, guys, so we finally made it out to Greenwood Plantation. It's a beautiful day. I've got my Memphis Pro preheating to about 400 degrees. Meanwhile, while that's coming up to temp, let's go find Mr. Howell and check out this place. Mr. Howell.
Hey, Randy, how are you? Welcome to Greenwood Plantation.
Thank you so much. Hey, it's
Come
beautiful.
on in. Yeah, thank you. Come
Let's
on
check it
in.
out.
This is the gentleman's parlor. Always the gentleman's parlor in this house.
Oh, yeah.
So a lot of the furnishings in the house are all antique, original antiques, and a lot of the drapes and wallpaper was all left by Hollywood.
Okay.
This is the ladies' parlor with a lot of the original furnishings in the 1830s. Original. So what we do with Greenwood Plantation is we do corporate events and we do weddings where they actually will serve wedding dinner, wedding food here on this table, 1830s table. And we also have a bed and breakfast that holds 11 rooms and people come just to get away. Very peaceful out here.
I bet. So this is the kitchen house.
Yeah, this is the historic kitchen house. Made in, it was built in 1969 from all the original bricks.
Original bricks made out from the pine. Oh man, so this must be the smokehouse.
Yeah, this is a smokehouse. It's not historic. We built it, but it works extremely well. It's all built out of brick in the bottom and then sealed very tightly, but the door's got a vent in the bottom and it's got 2 holes on the inside, so it drafts the smoke. When smoking, you want it to be under 200 degrees because anything over 200 degrees starts cooking. So I have a digital thermometer right here that keeps us, we have a fire in there, it keeps the temperature just right. And we build just a small fire in the kettle and hang our sausage on the stainless steel bars that are put into the brick.
How about that? So basically from all the meat to the wood for the fire, all from the land.
That's correct.
Love it. All right, man, it's ready.
Hey, how'd everything come out?
Looking good to me.
Wow, look
try
at
it.
that. Yeah, that looks great.
You think this is enough for the 2 of us?
Yeah, I think it is. That's plenty.
BBQ Guys has the outdoor cooking, heating and cooling, and furnishings you want. Visit us online at bbqguys.com.